Alright guys, today let's discuss how to check contract address. Let's also discuss the leaderboard like the sniper, dev, fresh, smart money, influencers, and other tips. And again, this video is a global topic or discussions. You can turn on the closed captions and then settings and update your preferred language. So today ay pag-usapan natin dito yung contract address, no. So ang dami kasing nagtatanong dito kung paano i-check yung legit and yung hindi copy, no. So ang dami kasing nagka-copy ng mga trending coins, and for the beginners, confusing yung mga ganong activity dito, no. So this is on the DEX, and itong platform na example natin is an OKX wallet aggregator, no. So you can just simulate dito, you can explore as well. So yung official link naman nito lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito, so you can explore if you are interested. And first tips natin dito guys is that to set up yung pinaka para ma-lower yung trading fees, no. So you can just go in here sa may referral, and then like for example, you created an account, you can enter a code, no, for like 10% discount. So after that, you can just confirm and then enter referral code. So just click here and then just add Crypto Fortune for 10% discount. So this is the number one tips for the DEX para sa 10% discount, no. And after that, you just need to confirm and then confirm again and start. Again guys, no, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. This is only a demo and educational content, and the decentralized exchange is very risky if you don't understand. There's an opportunity pero meron ding pinaka-risk dito guys, no. So today we'll discuss the risk and reward para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decisions, no. So dito guys, once na mapunta kayo sa may ganito yung user interface, makikita nyo dito yung mentions, no. You can also check trending. Ayan, so meron tayo ditong tatlong trending, which is Trump, Pump, at Meet. So you can also check the OKX boost, which is Dude. So pwede rin kayo dito guys na mag-check ng trading competition. Like meron dito sa my lower right corner, like for example this one, and mapupunta kayo dito, no. So you can also join now if you are interested dito. Ngayon, isa sa mga questions is on how to check the contract address guys, no. So na-discuss ko before yung kay Sachi. So punta muna tayo dito. Dito ko kasi guys nakita din yon, wherein sa may tracker pop out siya dito something on the trends, no. Dito kasi nakasort na ito. Like for example, you can see the market cap. Ayan. And dito rin sa may signal tab, you can see kung ilang percent na yung tinaas niya, no. So like for example, this one. So yeah, nasa tracker and sa may signal tab, dito ko something nakita si Sachi before. So isa sa mga features itong platform na ito is you can verify, you can research for those tokens na available na dito. So like for example, itong kay Komi as well. So ito nagkaroon ng consolidation. You can check the price action. Other features pa dito is you can observe, you can chart the price action, the candlesticks as well. Makikita nyo dito. Ayan. Yun, sa pag-check ng contract address is that meron ako ditong criteria din. Like for example, itong coin na to is may badge na ba? So, let's search for example, Sachi. Ayan. So, marami kasi dito guys, no? Ayan, no? Ang daming mga nagkopya. Ayan, may mga Sachi. Like for example, this one. So, this is fake ones. Isa sa mga badge dito guys is itong ganto, no? So, meron siyang community recognized, meron siyang mga badge dyan, community takeover, DEX screener. So, yan yung mga criteria guys, no? You can also check sa my CoinGecko. Like, punta ka lang CoinGecko, and then search mo lang dito, like, for example, Sachi. Ayan. And then, once you select this coin, ayan. So, meron dito ikaw na makikita, no? So, may info. Ayan, no? So, makikita mo dito yung pinaka-contract address. Ayan. So, you can copy this one. And then, you can go back here. And then, dito sa may taas, sa may search bar, you can paste, no? Pinaka-contract address. So, lalabas na siya dito. Ayan. Once you select that, so ito yung legit na Saatchi, no? Listed siya sa CoinGecko. Ayan. Makikita mo yung pinaka-price, yung markets as well, and other infos pa dito na like contract address, website, community on X. Ayan, yung categories niya, it's a meme. So, ganon siya guys, no? You can browse dito kay CoinGecko and then you can check the contract address. You can also search here, like for example, Saatchi, and consider this badges, no? You can also check the first letters, like 7Y2T. You can cross-checks here, 7Y2T. So this one is correct, no? So ganun lang siya guys, ganun lang siya na i-check dito, and then you can just review the price action, and please be careful on the fake ones, no? So dito rin you can change, like for example USDC yung nakaselect, you can check SOL, and for the sell option you can also select like USDT if you want to sell on USDC. Just select USDC. If you want to sell on Solana, just select Solana. So, ganun lang siya dito guys mag-work, no? And then, on the leaderboard naman, let's discuss. So, dito karamihan, may mga top addresses dito guys, no? As you can see, for the sniper as well, this one is sila yung mga nauunang nakabili, no? That's why meron silang sniper badge. So, sa mga potential na tokens. Ito mga ganito guys, again, is prone pa rin ito sa rug pulls guys, no? There's no guarantee sa gantong meme coin na Degen Play guys, no? Like for example, sa Deb, ito naman yung mga nagki-create ng tokens, no? Meron silang early mover advantage pag maraming community na naging interested dun sa tokens na yon. So sa Fresh naman, ito yung mga newly created na wallets, and then nakapag-snipe or nakabili ng mga tokens na potential na tumaas. So andito meron silang pinaka-leaderboard earnings, no? So nakasort na ito. So Pump Smart Money as well, ito yung pinaka-leaderboard for the past 7 days. Influencers, ito yung may mga maraming followers, no? So like for example, let's check this one. So makikita natin dito yung pinaka-details niya, and then yung portfolio as well, history, and kung ilang days na siya dito, and yung kanyang badge na well-known Web3 trader. Excellent traders with proven track records as well, makikita mo dito, and you have option to follow. Like for example, marami pa naman dito. Let's go back. Like for example, this one, you can also check yung kanyang pinaka PNL. Ayan, laki na ng loss din nito, negative. So let's go back. You can also sort dito guys ng pinaka blockchains. So for this one, naka Solana, no? Ayan, makikita nyo yung badge ng Solana. So dito sa may right corner, sa may taas, if BSC, you can check Binance Smart Chain, Xlayer, as well as Ethereum and Base, no? So yan yung 5 available dito. You can also filter ng win rate ng mga nandito sa leaderboard. So yun guys, hope you get some insights dito for the market. You can check trending and mentions, no? Yeah, hope you get some insights, updates sa video natin today. Kung meron kayong mga questions, ay let me know lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Sasagutin natin yan by doing content dito sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? Meron din tayong video na gamit yung cellphone sa mga nagtatanong. Lalay ko na lang dito guys sa screen, and see you sa video na yun guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.